Welcome back to Duff 286 TV. I'm going to show you how to install Peacock TV on a FireStick. Go to Settings. Go to My Fire TV. Go to Developer Options. Turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Push the Home button. Go to Search in the top left corner. Type in Downloader. Select Downloader. If you haven't downloaded Downloader before, push Get It. If not, push on the cloud for downloading and installing. Push Open. Push OK. Type in file link URL. You can push the like and subscribe button at any time. To support my channel, donations are appreciated. There's a link below to leave donations. Continue watching the video and I will show you how to move file link to the home screen. Push Go. Go to Install. Push Done. After installing, delete file. Push and hold the home button for 3 to 5 seconds. Go to Apps. Push the left button to go to the bottom to locate file link. Push the menu button and move to front. Push the home button. Go to File Linked and open. Type in the code for Peacock TV. Push Next. Push Continue. Enter PIN number. Push Next. Push Continue. Push Dismiss. You can go to View Tutorial and set up an account for Peacock TV. Go to View Tutorial to sign up for Peacock TV. Create a username and password. Go to account. If you got Xfinity cable services or Cox cable services, you can get Peacock Premium with no additional cost. Here's a look at Peacock Premium and Peacock Premium Plus. You can also pay for Peacock Premium and Peacock Premium Plus annually. Push to start download. Go to install. Push done. Push and hold the home button for 3 to 5 seconds. Go to apps. Push the left button to go to the bottom to locate Peacock TV. Push the menu button and move to front. Push the home button. Go to Peacock TV and open. You can sign up to start watching Peacock TV. Or if you're already signed up, go to the top right corner and sign in. At the top, you have channels, trending, browse, TV shows, movies, kids, news, sports, and Latino. I'm going to go to movies and show you the subtitles. Push play. Push select to go to the subtitles in the bottom left corner. Hope you guys enjoyed my video or me showing you how to install Peacock TV on a FireStick. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.